Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to correct an envelope in Docusign in just a few simple steps. Whether you need to fix a recipient's email, update a document, or adjust the signing order, this guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. So stick around until the end. You'll be a Docusign pro in no time. First, head over to the Docusign website. If you're not logged in yet, click the login button in the top right corner and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your account dashboard, which is your central hub for all agreements. Next, navigate to Agreements. This is where all your envelopes are stored. Scroll through your list of envelopes until you find the one that needs correcting. Once you've located the envelope, look for the three-dot icon. This is the More Options menu. Click it and you'll see the correct option. Selecting this opens the correction interface. Now you can make the necessary changes. Need to fix a recipient's email address, update it here. Want to add or replace documents, you can do that too. You can even adjust the signing order if someone needs to sign earlier or later in the process. After making your changes, double check everything to make sure it's accurate. Then simply click Send to apply the corrections. Docusign will automatically notify all affected recipients of the update so everyone stays in the loop. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully corrected your envelope without starting over or causing any confusion. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Docusign tips and tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions or want me to cover more advanced features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.